So what I've got here is the JJC E-mount body cap and rear lens cap cover kit for your Sony camera. This works with a variety of cameras, including the A7 series, the 6000 series, and I've got a Sony ZV-E10 here. It'll work with that, plus a whole bunch of other cameras. So let's go ahead and open this up and have a closer look. So there's the cap there. It says E-mount on it, and open and close. And then the other side, E-mount. So you can just take them apart like that. So again, one side is for your camera and one side is for the back of your lens. So let's try it on and see how it fits. So we'll start with this lens and grab the back there. And that fits perfectly on there. And then for the body cap, line up the dot. And that fits great as well right on my camera. So again, that is the JJC E-mount body cap and rear lens cap cover kit.